civil danger for San Francisco County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Emergency Management Agency. A large creature resembling a shark walking on its fins has been reported in downtown San Francisco. The creature has been reported to be hostile and is attacking and eating civilians. This is an extremely dangerous situation. This shark is extremely dangerous and should not be approached. This shark has been managing to evade or attack police, making it difficult to apprehend. The city is being shut down by the San Francisco Police Department, and the San Francisco Police Department is ordering all residents in San Francisco to lock all doors and windows and shelter in place or evacuate outside of San Francisco County. To evacuate, use U.S. Highway 101 north or south, Interstate 80 east, or Interstate 280 southbound. Do not exit your shelter or return to the city until an all-clear message is given. An administrative message for the following counties. In California: Alameda, Contra Costa, Marin, San Francisco, San Mateo, Santa Clara, Solano and Sonoma. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Emergency Management Agency. This is an all-clear message. Kenny the shark has been successfully killed by the San Francisco Police Department. It is now safe to exit shelters or return to the city of San Francisco. The danger to civilians is over. I repeat. The danger to civilians is over. It is now safe to exit shelters or return to the city of San Francisco.